Hi guys, sorry it's a little bit dark. It's pretty dark at first. But I am playing Pianos.
And I'm here.
Yep, Maddie's here with me again. Yay. Go live. Oh.
How does it feel over there? Ow.
Didn't even hit you that hard. No. Little star. Little star. I died at 75. I suck. This video, it will. I am concentrating. I may have said that in another video though. Pretty sure I did. If I didn't, I'm really stupid. Whoa. No.
That's funny. That's funny. You know what I'm laughing at?
What?
Because you said if you didn't say that in the video, you'd be stupid.
I'm pretty sure I did though.
I know, but you don't get what I mean. I mean, you already are.
I'm going to my last song that I have found, Spanish Dances. That is bad. No.
All you have to do is find the hidden words by swiping your way through. Play the game and become a word genius. Download now for free on tablet or mobile.
Okay, guys. What? No, I'm not. I'm doing one more time. After this, I'm going to end this video. So, Maddie is coughing right now.